Those computer boards have just come back after repairing, £300 worth. Projectors, scope. All this stock is ruined. All this ruined. It's peeing in. Two pieces of art, 150 quid a sheet. Benches, tables, shoes. Seams soaked up. Welding equipment. All shoes ruined. Another arcade machine. Because I can't see on the top of that at the moment, but I can hear the water landing on it. I've moved as much as I can. There's only me here. I phoned up Ray and Alison this morning. They can't do anything about it. They might be in later. And then there's... I've moved those two simulators back out. This one here is soaking wet. Carpet's ruined, projector's ruined. About £40,000 worth of simulator. Soaked. Go around the corner here if I can. I can't power this up again. It's been destroyed. Completely soaked. Carpet, pedals, electronics. This company. There's only so many shoes and boxes I can move on my own. I phoned up Ray this morning and I think they've gone for lunch. I've moved as much as I can at the moment. It's like outside, so I presume it's rainwater. Sim one. That's the main